Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. We are going to be answering lots of different questions about everything that we've learned this term. So we're looking at place value, we're looking at addition, we're looking at subtraction, and we're also going to be looking a little bit about money. But before we look at the learning intention and some examples of the questions we are going to do, can you have a go at solving these problems? Now, the easiest thing would be to just count these, use your fingers, or you could use your tens and ones, but the way I want you to sort of think of it, I want you to look at these numbers and think, right, can I look at this and think, I want to make 10 and then add the rest. So you look at 7, can I make 10 and add the rest? Maybe with 14 you might want to think, right, I want to make 10 here, what's left? Make 10 and 25, what's left? Okay, can you have a go at doing that now please?